So this is the Doogee S Mini. This is Doogee's latest mini rugged phone. So this device is really small and very lightweight. It weighs just 155 grams and it has a thickness of 13.5 millimeters. The device has a rear display, which makes it the first mini rugged phone with a rear display. The device has a tiny 4.5-inch display. It is powered by the Helio G99. It has 8GB RAM and the RAM can be virtually expanded. Its internal storage is 256GB and it can be expanded up to 2TB via SD. The device has a small 3000 mAh battery and it supports 18 watts fast charging. In terms of camera, the phone has a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP macro lens, and the front facing camera is 8MP. This phone ships with the latest Android 13, which is great. So other features of the phone includes Bluetooth 5.2, it supports NFC, it has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, it is rated IP68 and IP69K, it is also military-grade standard H10H certified. It supports face unlock, dual SIM, and so on. So these are the top features of the Doogee S Mini, and the device comes in 3 beautiful colors, namely silver, black, and purple. These are the 3 available colors of the device. So these are the top features and specs of the Doogee S Mini. The device is expected to be sold for around $200 and it is going to be officially released in November. Anyway, what are your thoughts about this new budget mini rugged phone from Doogee? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.